To fix the error that prevents you from using your Apple account balance to complete a purchase, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have a sufficient balance in your Apple account to cover the cost of the item you want to purchase. Next, check if the item you are trying to purchase is eligible to be bought using your Apple account balance. Some items, such as subscriptions or services, may not be eligible for purchase with an Apple account balance. If you have confirmed that the item is eligible and you have sufficient funds, try restarting your device. This can often resolve connectivity issues that may be preventing you from using your Apple account balance. If restarting your device does not work, sign out of the App Store or iTunes Store. Then sign back in. This can refresh your account information and resolve any authentication issues that may be preventing you from using your balance. If you are still having trouble, check the billing address associated with your Apple account to ensure it matches the billing address on your payment method. A mismatch between these addresses can prevent you from using your Apple account balance. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Apple support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide a solution to get you back to using your Apple account balance to complete purchases. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error and use your Apple account balance to complete your purchase. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to avoid any issues with purchases.